Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to check your Zenith Bank account number. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Zenith Bank, you can use our link in the description and you may get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to go to Google and search for a Zenith Bank. And after you search for Zenith Bank, just click this Zenith Bank website. So this is their main website. And right here, as you can see on the bottom right side, you will see a chat option. If you go there, and you can just click that, and this is the live chat support, and right there you can just write, I want to know my account number. And after that, after you click that, just click this enter right here, this arrow. So after that, you need to input your full name and also your Zenith email address. And after you input all of that, you just need to click start conversation, and rightly your problem will be will be sent, will be addressed on the live chat. So as you can see, my message will be sent, and I just need to wait for the Zenith chat support to address my problem and help me how to check my account number. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can do it. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.